he won't be happy. But yeah, my brother is here, but he working in Nigri, so he won't be.
Kublai phi baru kini kilongi khubor bam takasingi. Chief Electoral Officer CEO ke Meghalaya Dr. B.D. Tiwari hai ke jingilang bakilat pathai khubor ha shillong. Ula pentip baga Special Intensive Revision SIR 2026 jong electoral roll kadang yak shakman. Habaro ke jila bat ki boot level officer BLOS kidang net door to door ban sami ki enumeration forms bat jingirap yaki pait ba ban pendap yaki. Uloong baga jingtray kelas dang na du lai pautrik ujiliu bat kan beteng hadu lai pautrik unaitung. Kadkum ki jingyo lum jingtip hadu khalai trik unaitung arhajar arpundriyo. Naki arphulai lak saw khandai hajan rus pa saw samngut ki electors ha Meghalaya. Ladep sam khat khandai lang khandai puai hajar praspa praphulai teli ki notice kabalong prap saw ponyok nyo pesen. Nalor kata ladep yo priang san lang san saw hajar rus pa shpo teli ki enumeration forms kabalong arp saw pon lai pesen. Dr. Tiwari ula pentip ru bagi district ki Bladon ke jingjop ka khamba ke jingsam notice ki kentup ya ke South Garu Hills kendai pnyo pon nyo pesen South West Garu Hills kendai pnyo pon lai pnyo pesen East Khasi Hills kendai psau pon prap sau pesen bar kiwe kad bah ke jingyo lum ki form South West Khasi Hills kadai ke ba pat ba tam ha ke jing pendap forms but sa South Garu Hills, East Khasi Hills, but Southwest Garu Hills, CEO ulaong ba udang pelong jingya kendu man kesengi bagi district election officers, bar ki jilla jingya trailang ban pej bakakam kayat bet katkum kapor, bat ban penbet klo ye kinu ki jing ba mi ha kapor bagi BLO ki lech kishnang. Ulang kerpar ki paj ba bagin ai ke jingya trailang purah bagi BLO ki wan shiyeng ban sam bat lumi ki forms, Kaya ka bangi don kam kalong ka jing tray lang jong ipat ba. Kani ka kam kalong na kabenta ban pintikna bagi kerteng jong baro ki bday hong kindon ha ka electoral roll bat kinla ban pindon kam ya ka hok pat ba jong ki ha ka election ong Dr. Tiwari. Wala pensyai ru bagi nong syong snong ki badan Shaban Meghalaya ne Shabar ri kim don kam ban wan pai marmar kila ban pendap online ya ka form hadu ka lai potrik unaitung lingba ka portal jong ka election commission la ne ka ECI voter helpline app. Nalor kata uloong bagi elector kila ban download ya ke electoral roll 2005 na ka website jeng CEO Meghalaya ban na ka ECI app ban wad iki jingtip jeng kimi kikpa niki wegi dekot ke ying ki badon ha ke electoral roll barim. Namar kini ki jingtip kin ya rap ha ke jing pendap ya ke form Ulaong balada omla ya ka kerteng ha ka electoral roll arhajar san Henry Briew udai u elector badan hong ula ban ai ki kot jingyar jingtip bala batha dagi election commission ha ka porbau IT ya ka form ha ka bakut u Dr. Tiwari ula kentu ya baro kinong tap vote bakin om up hadu ka sngi ka bakat du Henry kin pendap no kloy ya ka jing pendap form bat ai ka jingya trailang bapura bat ki BLO ban pentikna baka SIR arhajar arpundriu kanong ka job bat ka bakhoy
was not there, but the parent's name is there as relative, so they can give the detail of their parent in the previous SIR, the 2005 electoral roll in the state. But even though there might be cases where not found in the both either their detail or parent detail, they might be new elector in the state, they can give all their detail in the third column and they can at least submit at the time of the claim objection. They are supposed to submit the one of the identity proof, the 11 documents which already been prescribed by the election commission of India.
So, but what about those?
Told if no one was there, then also if they are the present day elector in the state, they can give their entire detail in the third, another column is also there, and then to submit the proof of one of the identity as prescribed in that those list of the 11 documents along with that. Unique so far the complaints and BLOs are trying to have this door-to-door visit and distribution of the enumeration form. Sometimes they are taking the help of the local authorities at least to get the message passed so people can come and then to approach BLO, because we come across such incidences where the people are not at the time of BLO's visit, like the working time. So 10 to 5 they are also working, so house is locked. So they are giving a special time also. One day they are calling in some places through the village authorities, intimating them so they can come forward and submit their enumeration form or receive the enumeration form and submit the filled enumeration form, and the BLOs are helping to the all electors who are having any problem in filling the enumeration form and then collecting and digitizing all those forms.